रूप भेद प्रमाणानि भाव लावण्य योजनम सदृश्यम वर्णिका भंगम इति चित्र षडंगकम. Hello students, my name is Utkarsh Palvia and I'll be teaching you all fine arts on this new YouTube channel, that is Chitra Sutra. After class 10th, students are given various streams options like commerce, science, humanities, etc. जो फाइन आर्ट सब्जेक्ट है वो एक ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट होता है जो कि बच्चों को ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट की तरह उसको चूज करना होता है. फाइन आर्ट्स ज्यादातर बच्चे चूज करते हैं क्योंकि वो सोचते हैं कि फाइन आर्ट बहुत इजी सब्जेक्ट है. आई हैव सीन स्टूडेंट डूइंग देयर मैथ्स, बायो, अकाउंट्स, एक्स्ट्रा इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट्स ड्यूरिंग देयर फाइन आर्ट सेशन. फाइन आर्ट्स कोई ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, जो कि मैं भी कहूंगा आप इजिली 100 और 100 उसमें स्कोर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए थोड़ा सा टेंशन फोकस करना जरूरी होता है. इफ यू फोकस during your fine art session classes, or if you focus whatever I'll be teaching you on this YouTube channel, you can easily score 100 on 100. आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. कोई भी लेटेस्ट अपडेट CBSE बोर्ड से फाइन आर्ट्स के लिए क्लास 11 या 12 किसी भी क्लास के लिए आएगी, हम आप लोगों को तुरंत इस चीज से अवगत कराएंगे. We'll inform you about that. Do subscribe our channel. Now let's get started with our first chapter. First chapter is for class 11th. We'll be talking about Vatsyayan and Shadang. Shadangs are the 6 limbs of art that are very essential for every art student to be learned. If they don't use this Shadangs or 6 limbs of art in their painting composition, their painting composition will not be nice. I started this video with a Sanskrit shlok that was Roop Bheda Pramanani Bhava Lavanya Yojanam Sadrishyam Varnika Bhangam Iti Chitra Shadangakam. This shlok has been arrived from the book that is written by Vatsyayan, that is Kama Sutra. He was a celibate saint. He had all important knowledge of all important Shastra, and he presented a gist of all learnings in his book, that is Kama Sutra. Kama Sutra describes 64 types of art, out of which 4th rank is been given to painting. It is fully developed form of art with Sanskrit shlok and 6 limbs: Roop Bhed, Praman, Bhav Lavanya Yojanam, Sadrishya, Varnika Bhang. This is all describes art. So I'll be teaching you all about this 6 limbs one by one. Let's get started. I have written all Shadangs, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shadang, what is Shadang? First I'll explain you Shadang. Shad, Ang. Shad is 6. Ang means part. So 6 parts. So if you make a composition, painting, so these 6 parts are very important to be present in your composition. That is why we use Shadang and we learn the Shadangs. Okay, so I'll be starting with the first one, that is Roop Bhed. Roop means form, Bhed means difference. So Roop, Bhed means Roop is form, Bhed means difference. Difference amongst different types of subject in your painting. This is Roop Bhed. Now we comes to Praman. Praman is measurement. You need to measure your subject, or you need to measure your object when you're making a painting. If you don't measure it well, you will not be able to make a good composition. I'll give you an example. I have made this painting. If I make this face this much big, and I make this much big body, do you think it will be a good composition? No, it need to be measured first. This face and this body, half-made body, should be measured. That how much should be fixed in this painting that it looks good. So this is due to because of Praman. Bhav. Bhav, you can easily understand what Bhav is. Bhav means expressions. How your objects in the paintings gives expressions It is because of bhav. So you can easily understand what I am able to tell you, that Roop, Bhed, Praman, Bhav. I have explained these three terms. So you can see that these three terms are very necessary to that to be present in your painting. Now comes Lavanya Yojanam. Lavanya Yojanam is knowledge of beauty. Knowledge of beauty that should get reflected in your painting. If your painting doesn't show the buyers or the viewers the beauty, they will not get attracted to it. So it is because of Lavanya Yojam that every person can understand the beauty you are able to if you are able to represent in your painting. Now comes Sadrish. Sadrish is very easy in the term, that Sadrish is Pratyaksh. Sadrish. Sadrish is what you actually see when you're making a still life. Like this is a still life. However, I am able to see the still life, I will be making it the same. This is because of Sadrishya. So whatever you see, you cannot make a person this much big and an ant this much big. So you need to see, you need to first think in your mind what and how the object should be represented in your painting. Now comes Varnika Bhang. Varn means colors. Bhang means various. Using of various color in your composition or in your painting, this knowledge is gained through Varnika Bhang. So this is Varnika Bhang. Okay. So we have completed 6 limbs of painting or art that we get from the book Kama Sutra, and these are called Shadang. So we have completed Shadang here. No picture or painting can be perfect unless an artist uses these 6 Shadangs in his painting or creation. So here we complete Shadang. After talking about Vatsyayan and Shadang, it is very important to mention Pandit Yashodhar. Vatsyayan wrote Kama Sutra in 200 to 300 AD. And he mentioned this couplet in the book, that was Rupa Bhed Pramanani Bhavalavanya Yojanam Sadrishya Varnika Bhangam Chitra Shadankam. Then this couplet is even found in Pandit Yashodhar's annotation, that is Jai Mangal or Jai Mangala. Now after completing Shadang, we are to read elements of art. The PDF file is visible on your screen. You can take the screenshot. If you read them, you will easily understand them. It is very easy. Shape. Shape means the use of areas in 2-dimensional spaces that can be defined by edges. Shapes can be geometrical. Squares, circles, etc. or organic shapes are defined by other elements of art: line, form, space, value, colors and texture. Line. Line is very important part of art. Line is progression, movement. Whatever we make it, it is always started with making a line. A line has width, direction and length. Line can be horizontal, vertical and diagonal. Example: curved lines, dotted lines, diagonal lines. Form. Form is a shape of volume of mass. It refers to the 3-dimensional artwork that has a depth, width and height. The example for form is cube. Space. Space is area between all around shapes. Space includes the background, foreground and middle ground. Value. Lightness and the dark in the value of a color, which means the degree of lightness and darkness of a color in the artwork. Colors. The various visual phenomena that are the result of the reflections or absorption of light by a surface. Color has 3 properties: hue, value and intensity. Texture. Texture is a surface quality of material on which the painting or artwork is being done. The PDF file of the principle of art and the important effect of lines are also visible on your screen. You can take the screenshot and you can easily understand them. If you want me to make another video to explain these points, I will definitely do that. Do tell me in the comment section. Colors. We'll be talking about different types of colors. First is primary colors, also known as natural colors. Why is it also known as natural colors? Because they are found naturally. They are found naturally. You cannot mix any two colors to form a primary colors. How many primary colors are there? Primary colors are red, yellow, blue. These are primary colors found in nature. Second comes secondary colors. Name itself suggests that are secondary colors, which are mixed by mixing two primary colors in equal proportion. You can see these are primary colors. If we mix them together, we will get secondary colors. So these three are secondary colors. After primary and secondary, it comes tertiary. Tertiary is also known as intermediate colors. When we mix one primary and one secondary colors, in equal proportion, we get tertiary colors. Now examples of tertiary colors are these are secondary colors. Sorry, this secondary color, this primary colors. We mix violet plus blue to make indigo, orange plus red to get saffron, yellow plus orange, deep yellow. These are tertiary colors. We can get different tertiary colors and we can get more tertiary colors by mixing these primary and secondary colors. With all these colors, Shadang, Vatsyayan, we complete our first chapter for class 11th. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Do tell me anything new if you want me to explain, and if you have any queries in the comment section. My Instagram handle link is given in the description section. The latest update for the session 2020-21 is being given and the PDF is visible on your screen. Do take the screenshot. Thank you so much.